Hello everyone, MrGears6502 here. The other day, the hatch on my car stopped opening. So, it's a Chevy Spark. Hold on that. Nothing. Doesn't matter either way. The lock works. It also works from the inside. So it's not that's the problem. So that means it's something inside. So I'll fold this down and I'll take a look in here. It's a little bit cramped. Right. There's the latch in there. You can see it's exposed. What I need to do is I need to figure out how to open it from the inside and get this panel off here, this whole panel, and that will get me into there so I can probably manufacture a new cable for it. Or maybe just use a piece of string. Or maybe just don't put this panel back on because it's going to break again. To be fair though, this car does have 102,000 miles on it, has been used as a heavy freight vehicle despite being a Chevy Spark. So opening the hatch and closing it all the time most likely contributed to this failure. As it will again. I'm not changing anything about how I handle this car. Alright, so to open it from the inside, this latch works a lot like most other latches. Now, ordinarily, if it were a sedan, you'd have a string that you could pull to open up the hatch, but they know you're not fitting anybody in here normally, so you don't have to worry about accidentally getting stuck or in here or being kidnapped. So, in order to open this, there's a lever right there. You can see that. Can't get a very good angle. There you go. You see that little tab sticking up. If I reach in there and I pull on it. Now, there we go, that's open. Now I've got an easier time taking that panel off. So now that's open. This panel, trying to take that off isn't going to get me what I want. So I will adjust this latch later. I'm just going to see what pulls on that to open it up. Alright, so I didn't actually have to take this off, because what I found out was that if I take this little screw out here, like that, and then I go over here, and I give it a good yoink. Oh. Might take more than one hand for this, hold on. This panel comes off, and then I can get to the guts of it, so I'm going to put this back where it was, so that I can adjust it properly. Yeah, it's good enough. I don't need those bolts, I'm going to need it out later anyway. So what I found out is that the handle here pulls on this. But lo and behold, there is no cable attached to that. That's not the normal issue that you have with these. Well, let's just stick that in there and see. There we go. See if that does it. Alright, so there we go. Opens right up. No problem at all. I am a genius. Next step is to put the panel back on, even though I'm probably going to have to take it off again, but it's only one screw that takes that off. And there we go. Works just like new. Tune in next week when I will replace the light bulb for a light.